Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition perfume beauty box to share with you, and it's from Lookfantastic, and this was released a couple of days ago, and this is this scent edit. They bring these out a couple of times a year, and I have to be honest, this one is the most exciting one I've ever seen, and it's because it contains two of my favourite perfume brands. It's so lovely. You'll find links to it down below in my description because it's still available now. It costs £55. Inside we get a selection of perfumes which I'll go through. If you're thinking £55 for a couple of perfumes, that's a lot of money. But after your order, you'll receive an email with a £55 voucher. So if you fall in love with any of these lot in this box, then you can go onto Lookfantastic website and then you can use your voucher to have £55 off. But the reason this has really excited me is not just because it contains perfumes, which I'm really excited to smell, and there's some of my favourite ones in here, but it's the sizing. The sizing is so good. When we've had scent edits in the past, I'll try and get some out for you. Like, we'll have little minis like that for about 5 mils. But I don't think I had that in a scent edition. But do you know what I mean? It's not often we get large. It's not often we get larger size. It's not often we get larger sizes. It's normally like the 5 mil mark and a couple of little sample ones like this. You know, the 1 mils, but not these. I'll get them out and show you. As always, you'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as my discount codes to Lookfantastic, and if they've got any other offers, including their advent calendar, which has just been released as well. So you'll find it all listed down there. They're all larger sized ones. We'll start off with a perfume I fell in love with when I was young, when I was about 19, 20-ish, early 20s maybe, which is a long time ago now. But I loved this. I absolutely loved it back in the 90s. And if I smell it now, it's like, oh, it just transports me back there. This is Miyake, Le Issey Eau de Toilette, and there's 10 mils. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous smell. There is a QR code here, so I'll have a look to see if I can get extra information on the website, because I'm not very good at describing what the smells are. But that's a really good size, and I know you can buy, especially like Narciso Rodriguez, oh, it's a gorgeous brand, you can buy them at 10 mils on the website for, well, I'll have a look, I'm sure like 20 odd pound. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Looking at extra information on the Lookfantastic website, the smaller size is 50 mils and it retails for £86. It's a floral aquatic fragrance that evokes images of a dewy summer's day with luscious blooms and a fresh twist. It has top notes of lotus, freesia and rose, unusual for me, heart notes of lily and osmanthus, base notes of sandalwood, cedar and amberette. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful perfume. I'm so chuffed with it. I'm so chuffed. And that is not all. Narciso Rodriguez, and this is All of Me Eau de Parfum, 10 mils. Now, I have got a few Narciso Rodriguez. I love the Musc one, For Her Musc, I think it's called. Oh, there's some amazing, amazing perfumes from this brand. But I don't think I have tried this one. Does it say what it says here? A rich blend of rose and geranium embraces the signature heart of musk to create an addictive scent. Okay. No, not my favourite there, unfortunately. It's a floral, musky fragrance that celebrates individuality and self-expression. It has really great 5-star reviews. It's just I'm a fussy person. You can buy it in 30, 50 and 90 mils. To purchase the 30 mils, it'll cost you £44.10p. And then the 50 mils is £78.20. They're all currently on offer as well, of saving of about 20% off currently. Top notes, essence of magnolia. Heart notes, rose, centifolia, geranium, bourbon. And base notes, heart of musk and sandalwood. It's not bad, but I wouldn't buy it then. That's not one I would choose. But then we've got another one, and this is Narciso Rodriguez, For Her, and this is Musk Nude. So I think I've had the For Her Musc, which is my all-time favourite. It's got to be. It's got to be. The For Her signature Heart of Musk is infused with delicate white flower notes and rich tonka bean, essential fragrance that softly embraces the skin. Okay. Oh, that is nice. I really like that. That is nice. For the original, I don't know if I would actually go out and buy this though. It reminds me of like an incense spray. A musk-based fragrance enriched with nuances of jasmine, rose and tonka bean. For 30 mils, it was £63, but you can get it for £53, and then you can get 50 in 100 mils as well. It comes from the Oriental Floral family. It has top notes of pink peppercorn, floral boutique and fresh jasmine. Heart notes of musk, rose oil and orange flower. Base notes of tonka bean, absolute, cashmeran and patchouli. Yeah, it's okay, but I wouldn't buy it. Oh, I thought they had the original in there, which I really would have loved. What a shame. Of all the Narciso Rodriguez perfumes I've tried, I love them. But then it comes to two in a box, and I'm not that keen. One I don't like and one I'm not that keen. Doesn't matter. We've got another Issey Miyake one here. This is one I haven't smelt before. This is Issey. So it's the same as this, but this is like a limited edition. I don't know. This is Solar Violet Intense. And there's 10 mils. Solar Violet Intense. Okay. There's that. That is exactly like Parma Violets. Exactly. It is lovely. But it's a little bit too sweet for me. And the Parma Violet smell, it sort of dies down. It's not as intense then. So 50 mils, which is the smaller size, retails for £72. Comes from the Floral family. Top notes of pear, heart notes of violet leaf, and base notes of iris or orris. No, iris. Smelling it on my hand now, it smells really lovely. It doesn't smell overly too sweet either. I do like it, but I prefer the original Issey. Okay, there's one left, and this is by a different brand. This is Serge Lutens. It does ring a bell. It's 10 mils here. The name rings a bell. I'm sure I've had it in another beauty box. Definitely not for me. Poo-wee! That is super strong. No. A gourmand fragrance with a tobacco accord. 50 mils, which is the cheapest one you can go for, is on sale. It was £135 down to £108. Fragrance family, gourmand, and notes of tobacco, rum and cocoa. No, I wouldn't even spray that on me. It is just way too strong for my liking. Amazing sizes, really, really great. Even if we just had these perfumes for £55, I don't think a lot of you would be complaining, if you like these perfumes that is, because of the value that you're getting and the sizes of the perfumes. I think is amazing, really good. But obviously we get the £55 voucher as well. Narciso Rodriguez, All of Me. Nope. Narciso Rodriguez For Her Musc Nude. I wouldn't buy it. Not say I don't like it, but I wouldn't buy it. Absolutely love this. Have done for years and years and years and years. So I'm going to see if I can get the original Narciso Rodriguez. I'll see if I can get my code to work on that one. And if I can, then I'll get that, because I have run out. I think I got rid of it a little while ago. Yeah, I had a big bottle of it. I love it. But if not, I'll be getting a bottle of that with my voucher. Then we got Issey Miyake Issey Solar Violet. It's a really gorgeous smell. It is really, really nice, but I'm not sure if I'd actually go out and buy it. And Serge Lutens, which I can smell now. Oh, so strong. No, I don't like it. So there you go. Shall I find out, actually? I think that'd be a handy thing to do for you lot. Find out if I can get another perfume that's not featured in the box, but of the same brand. Well, it looks like I can. Can you see there? I know, it's the lighting. That isn't featured in the box, but it's got the £55 voucher. So let's give it a go. So I've just added Narciso Rodriguez Pure Musc For Her, which isn't in the box, but there is a version of the Pure Musc in here. I've got 30 mils. It's currently on sale for £53.54. So let's see if the code will work. Yes, the voucher worked. So I'm getting myself a Pure Musc For Her perfume. I am glad I went for it. Plus there's some perfumes in here that would make some really nice gifts as well. So I might save them up and pass them on. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this edition of the scent edit? Did you buy it for yourself, or are you thinking, I'm not too sure? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.